If you're looking to host interactive virtual events and wondering how to use Livestorm to make them engaging and seamless, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll show you how Livestorm can help you create unforgettable online events that keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Livestorm is a versatile platform that's built specifically for hosting virtual events, webinars, and meetings, all in one place. Whether you're running a live webinar or a large conference, Livestorm offers the tools to interact with your attendees in real time, which is key to keeping them hooked. You can customize your event settings, have live Q&A sessions, polls, and much more. If you stick around, I'll also reveal how you can use it for free with some exclusive bonuses, so make sure to stay tuned. First off, setting up an event on Livestorm is super straightforward. You simply sign in, click on Create an Event, and you're guided through the process. You can choose between live webinars, automated webinars, or on-demand content. For interactive events, I recommend starting with a live webinar where you'll be able to engage with your audience in real time. You can add event details like title, description, and even custom branding to make the experience feel unique to your audience. Once your event is set up, it's time to make it interactive. Livestorm allows you to integrate live polls, chat features, and Q&A sessions, which helps in keeping your attendees engaged throughout the session. You can even create breakout rooms for smaller discussions, which is perfect for networking or diving deep into specific topics. This is one feature that really makes Livestorm stand out when compared to other webinar platforms. Its interactivity options are endless. Next, let's talk about managing your audience. Livestorm allows you to see who's attending in real time, which helps you gauge participation. Plus, you can collect valuable insights with the event analytics, which track engagement, questions asked, polls answered, and more. This data can help you improve future events and provide a more personalized experience for your audience. And what about post-event? Livestorm has got you covered. Once your event ends, you can access a recording to send out to your attendees. You can even repurpose the content for marketing or educational purposes. The platform also lets you automatically send follow-up emails, which is a great way to nurture leads or keep your attendees engaged after the event is over. Livestorm integrates with other tools too: CRM systems, marketing software, and even analytics platforms. This allows you to create a more cohesive workflow that supports your overall marketing strategy. Now for the best part, if you're new to Livestorm, I've got some exciting news. You can access the software completely free by using the exclusive link in the description below. This gives you a risk-free way to explore all the features and see how Livestorm can elevate your virtual events. You'll even get access to an extended free trial with additional bonuses to really get the most out of the platform. Livestorm is an incredible tool for anyone hosting virtual events, webinars, or meetings. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to enhance your existing events, this software provides all the tools you need to host engaging and interactive experiences. Don't forget to check out the first link below to grab your free extended trial and exclusive bonuses. Now you know how to use Livestorm for interactive virtual events. Go ahead and give it a try for yourself.